Misplaced your AAA membership card? Don't stress. Getting a replacement is quick and easy. Here are 3 ways to do it. Option 1. Use the app. The quickest way to access your card is through the AAA mobile app. Simply log in to view your digital membership card, which you can use immediately. You can also add it to your Apple Wallet or Google Pay for even easier access. Option 2. By phone. Call your local AAA Club's customer service line. Have your name, date of birth, and address on file ready. A representative will verify your identity and process the request on the spot. Option 3. In person. Visit your nearest AAA branch with a photo ID. Staff can verify your membership and may even provide a temporary card while your permanent one is on the way. Want to skip the physical card altogether? Download the AAA mobile app and add your membership card directly to your Apple Wallet or Google Pay. Your card will always be on your phone, ready whenever you need it. And while you're at it, sign up for auto-renewal so your coverage never lapses. You can set it up online, by phone, or in person at any AAA branch. It only takes a few minutes and gives you one less thing to worry about. Visit AAA.com today.